If you are buying both your olive oil, avocado oil, and your spray oil, so you have 2 containers for both, you are wasting your money and you really don't need both. These are ingenious little devices here. So this is a 2-pack that I got. I first of all think that they look way better than putting a big tub of olive oil on your counter. And they come in different colors. I got the black and white, it's easy. And this is dual purpose. It is a 2-in-1. So if you press this little, I just sprayed oil across the house, but that's okay. This little one sprays it. So if you are just needing to get little bit of oil on your pan, you just spray that. Then you will not also be using too much oil. You really only need a little bit. And then when you are doing salads or cooking with oil and you need to just pour the oil, you just flip the lid up that way. So love the fact that it is 2-in-1. This comes in a 2-pack, or you can buy one individually, but I have one for olive oil and I'm gonna have one for avocado oil. And you can use them for just about anything. So highly recommend getting these and getting rid of the big bottles in your house, and no need to have both a spray and an oil when one does both. Thanks so much.